Today I am going to start problems on Lorentz series. Before of that, first I shall start Maclaurin series expansion for standard functions. If e power z is an exponential function, its expansion can be taken as 1 plus z by 1 factorial plus z square by 2 factorial plus z cube by 3 factorial plus and so on, where the condition is modulus of z is less than infinity. If modulus of z is less than infinity, then only e to the power of z expansion possible. Similarly, e power minus z expansion given as here, according to this condition, sin z expansion also condition is there, cos z condition, sin hz also expanded like this, cos of hz also, tan z expansion is here if modulus of z is less than pi by 2. In this case only expansion of tan z possible. Secant z expansion is given here, modulus of z value is less than pi by 2. The most important infinite series are here, 1 plus z whole power minus 1. This is binomial. There are two terms, so it is called as binomial. With the negative power expansion is 1 minus z plus z square minus z cube plus and so on. The condition is modulus of z is less than 1. I mean 1 is greater than z. I mean first place term is greater than second place, then its negative power expansion is possible. 1 minus z whole power minus 1. Here also there are two terms with the negative power 1. Its expansion can be taken as 1 plus z square plus z cube plus and so on. Similar to previous, but everyone is positive. Condition is modulus of z is less than 1. Here also first place term is greater than second one with the negative power. In this case only expansion possible. Similarly, 1 plus z whole power minus 2 expansion given as 1 minus 2z plus 3z square minus 4z cube plus and so on. Here also same condition. For the binomial, first place term should be greater than second one. 1 minus z whole power minus 2 expansion is same terms with positive only. Condition also same. Log of 1 plus z is z minus z square by 2 plus z cube by 3 minus and so on. Here also modulus of z is less than 1. Log of 1 minus z expansion given as 1 minus z square by 2 minus z cube by 3 minus and so on. Condition is modulus of z is less than 1. These four are most important infinite series to use Lorentz series. Now I am going to start problems on Lorentz series. Now to obtain Lorentz series, expand f of z by binomial theorem only. Binomial is nothing but two terms factor we need. Now find Lorentz expansion of f of z, 7z minus 2 by z plus 1 z of z minus 2 in the region 1 is less than modulus of z plus 1 is less than 3. Now to expand this one, we have to use given condition. This condition is also called as region. Inequality region is given here. Solution first. Now the given condition also can be written as, first 1 is less than modulus of z plus 1 is less than 3. Let z plus 1 equal to u. Then z equal to u minus 1. Z equals to u minus 1. Now the given function is 7z minus 2 by z plus 1 z of z minus 2 equal to, here condition defined in terms of u, so that the problem, I mean function, should define in terms of u. That's why substitute z value and z plus 1 value in the present function. Now 7 z is u minus 1 minus 2 by, here z plus 1 is u, z is u minus 1, here z is u minus 1 minus 2. Now this is 7u minus 9, minus 7 minus 2 minus 9, u minus 1, u minus 3. Now this is the function. But to expand this, we need only binomial. I mean two terms factor only we need. But here product of factors are here. To get binomial factor, first find out partial fractions. Now take out fraction 7u minus 9 by u of u minus 1 u minus 3. Fractions a by first term, b by second term, c by third term. After that, this is equation 1. Now where we need a, b, c. To get a, the shortcut rule is write complete fraction except denominator of a only. Now 7u minus 9 by u minus 1 u minus 3. Okay, this is the fraction. I have written complete fraction except u only. This which is denominator of u. After that, u equal to, from this denominator u equal to 0. From this u equal to 1. From this u equal to 3. Likewise here u equal to 0. Now by writing u equal to 0, the result is minus 9. Here it is minus 1, minus 3. Totally here minus minus positive. 3 3s are a equal to minus 3 clear. After that b equals to, here also write complete fraction except denominator of b only. Now 7u minus 9 by u of u minus 3. From this u equal to what is the number? 1. 7 minus 9 by 1 into 1 minus 3. Minus 2 by minus 2. Answer b value is 1. C. Here also same, write complete fraction except u minus 3. 7u minus 9 u of u minus 1. From this u is 3. 7 3 is 21. 21 minus 9 is, here is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Here 12 by 6 equals to 2. Now every constant clear. Now again consider equation 1 completely and substitute ABC values. Equation 1 implies 7u minus 9 by u of u minus 1 u minus 3 a by u plus b by u minus 1 c by u minus 3, where a is minus 3 by u, b is 1 by u minus 1, c is 2 by u minus 3. Now in every denominator there are only two terms, binomials are here, two terms are here. Expansion possible in this case. Now that equal to minus 3 by u, 1 by u minus 1, 2 by u minus 3. Now to expand every term we need negative power. So that first you have to use given condition. What is the given condition is here? The condition will be changed as here 1 is less than modulus of z plus 1 is less than 3, where this is considered as u, 1 is less than u is less than 3. That equal to minus 3 by u. Here only single term, no need to expand this one. Write it as it is, plus here first before going to expand this one use given condition. Here how many terms? Two terms. Out of two, one is u, another one is 1. Now this is, use this relation only. Now out of two terms which one is greater? U is greater. So that first take out greater term as common. U as common, then 1 minus 1 by u. After that plus 2 by, here there are two terms, one is u, another one is 3. Now the second part of the condition, u is less than 3. In this case, in these two, which one is greater? 3 is greater. So take out greater number as common. Now u by 3 minus 1. This is the first step. To use binomial expansion, first this is the most important step. Plus 1 by u into 1 minus 1 by u. This is here the factor has two terms, and first place term is u, second place term is 1 by u, so it is okay, plus 2 by 3 into, but here we to expand this one, first we need standard forms. Standard forms are nothing but first place term should be 1, first place term should be 1, and which is greater than 1, greater than second place term. That's why here also first we need 1, first place term is 1. To get that one, take out minus as common, then it will be changed as 1 minus u by 3. This is the important step. Once again, after getting partial fractions, here single term, no possibility to expand this one, it is in standard form, but here binomial, two terms are here. Now to expand this one, first we have to use given condition, u1 out of 2, u is greater, take out greater number as common, automatically 1 minus 1 by u, 1 is greater than 1 by u. Next to plus 2 by 3, 2 by, here also u3, the first term is u, second term is 3, out of 2 which one is greater according to this, 3 is greater, so take out 3 as common, u by 3 minus 1. After that, here this is as it is, this one also in standard form, first place term is 1 and which is greater than second place term, okay, plus 2 by 3, but here first place term should be 1. To get 1 in the first place, take out minus as common, 1 minus u by 3, 1 is greater than u by 3. Now next we need negative powers. To get negative powers, 1 by u as it is, write this factor completely in numerator, minus into plus. After that, 1 minus u by 3 whole power minus 1, that equal to minus 3 by u plus 1 by u. This is similar to 1 minus x whole power minus 1, 1 minus z whole power minus 1, where 1 is greater than z or modulus of z is less than 1. Similarly here also same. Now according to that, 1 plus 1 by u plus 1 by u square plus 1 by u cube plus and so on as per infinite series, minus 2 by 3. Here also this is 1 minus x, 1 minus z whole power minus 1, 1 plus u by 3 plus u by 3 whole square plus and so on. After that, minus 3 by u plus, enter u into the bracket, 1 by u, 1 by u square, 1 by u cube, 1 by u power 4 and so on, minus 2 by 3. Here also this is 1 plus u by 3 plus u by 3 or u square by 9 plus and so on. Okay, this is the value of given function. What is that function left side? 7u minus 9, 7u minus 9, u of u minus 1, u minus 3. Function expanded as minus 3 by u plus 1 by u plus 1 by u square, 1 by u cube plus and so on. No need to write this one. This is infinite series. Next it is minus 2 by 3 of 1 plus u by 3 u square by 9 plus and so on. Here these two having same denominator, minus 2 by u plus 1 by u square, 1 by u cube, minus 2 by 3, 1 plus u by 3, u square by 9 plus. This is called expansion of given function. But problem defined in terms of z, so you can replace u by corresponding value. What is that? U equals to z plus 1. You can substitute u equal to z plus 1. Now 7 of z plus 1 minus 9. Here also z plus 1. Z plus 1 minus 1 is z. Z plus 1 minus 3 is z plus 1 minus 3 is z minus 2. Here also minus 2 by u is z plus 1 plus 1 by z plus 1 whole square, z plus 1 whole cube minus 2 by 3 1 plus z plus 1 by 3 z plus 1 whole square by 9 plus and so on. Now this is called expansion of given function using Lorentz series. Here numerator 7z minus 2 by z plus 1 z of z minus 2 written as minus 2 by z plus 1 1 by z plus 2 whole square 1 by z plus 3 whole cube plus and so on minus 2 by 3 1 plus z plus 1 by 3 plus z plus 1 whole square by 9 plus and so on. This is called expansion of given function using Lorentz series. The next problem is find Lorentz series expansion of z square minus 6z minus 1 by z minus 1 z minus 3 z plus 2 in the region 3 is less than modulus of z plus 2 is less than 5. In this region we have to expand this with the help of Lorentz series. First, here also the condition similar to previous. Here middle of the term is z plus 2. So that take its name as u only, single. It is represented by single variable. So that first u equal to z plus 2. Then given region will be changed as 3 is less than modulus of z plus 2 is u is less than 5. Now the given condition defined in terms of u. So you should define our function also in terms of u. Now u equal to z plus 2. Then z equal to u minus 2. Now the given function z square minus 6z minus 1 by z minus 1 z minus 3 z plus 2. Now the problem defined in terms of z, but we considered here u equal to z plus 2, condition change defined in terms of u. So we should define function also in terms of u by writing z equal to u minus 2. Now u minus 2 whole square 6 into u minus 2 minus 1 by u minus 2 minus 1 is u minus 3, u minus 2 minus 3 is u minus 5, u minus 2 plus 2 is u, that equals to a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 6u plus 12 minus 1 by u minus 3, u minus 5. Order wise in numerator u square, number of u's 10u plus 14 plus 2 plus 4 plus 12 plus 16 minus 1 is plus 15. u minus 3, u minus 5. Now the given condition defined in terms of u, function also defined in terms of u, then we can find out expansion of the function. Now take the function in terms of u square minus 10u plus 15 by u minus 3 u, here sorry, this is u minus 5. To expand this according to the note point, we have to use binomial. Binomial is nothing but that term should contain only two functions. Now here product of the factors are here. First, to expand this one we need only single factor in each and every denominator. So that to get single factor, find out partial fractions. So that a by first term is u plus b by Second term is u minus 3 plus c by u minus 5. This is the main calculation part. Now here we need a, b, c values. This is equation number 1. A equals to constant a. How can you obtain a value? Write complete fraction except u only. To get a, first write fraction except u. First if we need b, write complete fraction except u minus 3. Next, if you need c, to get c, write complete fraction except u minus 5. Likewise, you can prepare a, b, c values. So that first to get a, write complete given fraction u square minus 10u plus 15 by, what is it here, a denominator u. So that remaining u minus 3 into u minus 5. From this u equal to what is the value? 0. Now numerator is 15, denominator also 15, 1. B equals to. Similarly write for b complete fraction except u minus 3. So that u square minus 10u plus 15 by u of u minus 5. From this u equals to what is the number? 3. Now u equal to 3, 9 minus 30 plus 15 by, here 3 into minus 2, that is equal to, here it is 24 minus 3 is minus 6, here minus 6, b also 1, and then c. Similarly write fraction except u minus 5, u square minus 10u plus 15, denominator is u minus 3. From this u equals to, what is the value? From this factor u is 5, 25, 50, 15 by 5, 2, that equal to, here 25, 15 is 40, 40 minus 50 is minus 10 by 10 equals to minus 1. C also clear, here it is equals to minus 1. A equals to 1, B equals to 1, C equal to minus 1. So that given fraction equal to a by u plus b by u minus 3 plus c by u minus 5, where u is, a is 1, b is 1, c is minus 1. After that, how to use given condition. Since, what is the condition in terms of u? Here 3 is less than, u is less than 5. Using this condition, we have to write expansion of this function 1 by u as it is, plus, here there are two terms for the binomial expansion. First we have to use greater, we have to identify greater number out of 2 using this one only. Now from this relation, which one is greater? U. So that take out greater number as common, 1 minus 3 by u. Okay, plus into minus, minus 1 by, here there are two terms u and 5. Out of 2, which one is greater? According to this, from this 5 is greater, so that take out 5 outside, u by 5 minus 1. This is the first step. After that, this is 1 by u as it is, no two terms are here, so write it as it is, 1 by u into 1 minus 3 by u. Here this is in standard form, first place 1 is 1, second place 3 by u, and 1 is greater than 3 by u, minus 1 by 5 into, but here first place term should be 1, so that to get 1, take out minus as common, minus or minus, plus 1 minus u by 5. Now every factor is of the form 1 minus z, 1 minus z, but negative power we need. To get that one, 1 by u, 1 minus 3 by u whole power minus 1, plus 1 by 5, 1 minus u by 5 whole power minus 1. Now these two are infinite series forms, and 1 is greater than second place term. Here also 1 is greater than u by 5. Expansion possible 1 by u. Now right side, u square minus 10u plus 15 by u minus 3, u minus 5. 1 plus 1 by u. This is similar to standard series form 1 minus z whole power minus 1. According to this, 1 minus z whole power minus 1. 1 plus z 3 by u plus z square 3 by u whole square plus and so on, plus 1 by 5. Here also this is similar to 1 minus z whole power minus 1. 1 plus u by 5, u by 5 whole square plus and so on. Now expansion over. Now you can replace u by what is the value of u? U by z plus 2. Okay, now here z plus 2 whole square minus 10 of z plus 2 plus 15 by z plus 2. Here it is z plus 2 minus 3 is z minus 1. Z plus 2 minus 5 is z plus 2 minus 5 is z minus 3 equal to right side 1 by z plus 2 plus 1 by z plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 by z plus 2 plus 3 square by 3 square by z plus 2 whole square plus and so on, plus 1 by 5. 1 plus z plus 2 by 5, z plus 2 whole square by 5. Just at the last, after expansion, at the last you can write u equal to z plus 2. That's it. Here by simplification this you will get given function again. Here also what is the number? Given fraction you will get again. Now z square plus 4 plus 4z minus 10z minus 20 plus 15 by z plus 2, z minus 1, z minus 3. Here it is 1 by z plus 2 plus 1 by z plus 2 plus here this is 3 by z plus 2 whole square plus 3 square by z plus 2 whole cube plus and so on, plus 1 by 5, 1 plus z plus 2 by 5, z plus 2 by 5 whole square plus and so on. After that just ordinary simplification. Highest power related z square. Number of terms of z, 4z minus 10z equals to 4z minus 10z equals to here 6 minus 6z. Numbers 20, here it is 19, so that minus 1. Z plus 2, z minus 1, z minus 3. Now this is given function. Its expansion is these two are having same denominator, so it can be written as 2 by z plus 2. Remaining as it is 3 by z plus 2 whole square, 3 square by z plus 3 whole cube plus and so on, 1 by 5, 1 plus z plus 2 by 5, z plus 2 whole square by 5 plus and so on. This is called Lorentz series for the given function.